4 big batches of it or 3 big batches. But some of these people were buying, they must have got online and bought everything the store had. I have no idea how they got so much. But I guess they thought they were going to capitalize on. It wasn't just everyday people. It was people trying to make money on people. Okay, I just poured off that one little corner there. I didn't like that. It's got the same thing kind of going on. Little remnants from what we had the last time. I'm going to let that go. Possibly. That's not so bad. It's the best one out of all the ones. I'm going to keep moving it a little bit just to let it see what else wants to come up. There's one little pink dot right there. Can you see it? Sometimes, as they sit, some of the colors will come up. We got a little pink over here too. As they sit, some of the old colors will show up. I might try to stretch it this way a little bit. It's getting a little rougher to move now, so that tells me that I shouldn't have too much, hopefully too much, probably none. Actually, I haven't had hardly any at all crazing, so now if I wanted to, I just don't know if that looked like if I were to add a little bit of, like, slowly put a couple little lines on there. What the heck? Why not? I'm trying to think where I want them first. I gotta be ready. I don't know, maybe that's not a good idea. No, it's not moving too much. I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. I think I'm gonna call it done for right now. So, give you guys a little close up. It's got some cool things. I love just different spots in here. I like this over here. This has lost some of the little things that were in there, but that's okay. Kind of reminds me of the way if you put a little like ink in water and it rushes in and you see all these little bubbles floating around. It kind of reminds me of that. So, alrighty guys, that one is done. So anyways, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully my hands aren't too yucky to stop this.